And we're going to show you what we did in this week's salsa class. So we did our basic for beginner class, lead turn, lady turn. Leads turn on 1, 2, 3, ladies 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead, regular. Cross body lead, inside turn, 6, 7. Leaders are going to turn, changing their hands behind the back. 1, 2, 3, change. 5, 6, 7. Now we're right to right. We're going to do our cross body lead with a turn, but you're going to put the hands on the shoulder instead of above the head. So 1, 2, 3. Pull 5, circle 6, 7. Putting that hand around our shoulders. We both step. Back step 1, 2, 3. This hand pulls her, so you turn outside. 5, 6, 7, and basic, and you're done. So now moving to the advanced move, we started with a reverse crossbody lead. We forward step. 1, off 2, 3. Pull your partner. 5, 6, 7. Regular crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. Across. 5, 6. Open break. 1, 2. Lift the left. 3. 2 turns with the left and the hammer lock. 5, 6, 7. Copa, back step, 1, 2, stop, 3. Left hand turns, 5, 6, 7. Flip the hand up, pizza hand. Mid right hand turn, 1, 2, 3. Leads are walking back, putting that, this right hand on the waist. 5, 6, you arrive, 7. You want to pull the lady here to lead her to do a circle walk. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Exit with left hand up 5. Hammer lock 6, 7. All right. Okay. It's helpful if you stay close to your partner on that part. But back step left. 1, 2, copa 3. All right. Hand over the guy. 5, 6, over the girl 7. Basic, and you're done. And that's everything for this week, guys. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you in 2 Sundays. Have a good Labor Day, everybody. And we'll see you in 2 Sundays. Bye.